Hello, this is Sujata Kanchala. Today I'm going to discuss about simple interest problem example, which is very much useful for all the competitive exams. Let's comes to the problem. A sum of money was invested at simple interest at a certain rate for 3 years. Had it been invested at 5% higher rate, it would have fetched 480 rupees more. Find the principal. Let's comes to calculation. Let the principal be P and original rate be R%, time equal to 3 years. Interest at original rate equals to P into R into 3 by 100. Interest rate at higher rate equals to P into it is 5% more. So R plus 5 into 3 by 100. Difference in interest equals to 480. So P into R plus 5 into 3 by 100 minus P into R into 3 by 100 equal to 480. After solving this equation, we will get principal as 3200. Alternate method for this problem would be excess money obtained equal to 3 years at 5% per annum, that equals to 50% of whole money. So according to the question, 15% equals to 480. So 100% equals to 480 into 100 by 15, that equals to 3200. Thank you. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, comment, and give suggestions.